Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your desktop icons on Windows 10. So let's get started. First, you need to download your icon set, new icon set. Go to iconarchive.com, search for icons you want. Probably you're gonna search for folder, open, and here you can find a lot of folder icons. And what you need to do is search for a set. Now you open one icon and you have icon set. Open it and you have all icons in one set. You can download it for free. After you download your set, I've done with this set, you place it in your pictures folder because you don't move that folder, you don't open it often. Here's my set. After you have your set downloaded, now start changing your icons. First, right click on the folder, properties, customize, change icon, browse, and you find your set. Here is mine. It's the music folder. So here is the music icon. OK, apply, and OK. Refresh, and here we go. You do it for all other icons. Now that you have your icons changed, I will show you how you can change your PC icon and recycle bin icon. Go to personalize, themes, and you can see here desktop icon settings. This PC setting, change icon, browse, same steps again. Now I have this icon, apply, and OK. I have to do it for recycle bin icon. This is for empty. You can make it for empty and full. Empty, change icon. I'm going to use this one. OK, apply, and OK. Now you have it. Now I want to show you one more thing. This is a folder for my website files. So I made my own icon in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can Google. There are a lot of websites that can convert your PNG logo file to ICO file. Here is my logo icon. Here is it, digital background. Apply, and OK. And there you have it. So that's it for this time. See you next time.